Hi everyone, today I am going to be doing an unboxing of the DeWalt 20 volt compact drill. So originally my wife was going to just get me a battery that would be compatible with my DeWalt speaker. So it's a Bluetooth speaker, and at the back here there's space for a 20 volt battery. So she was going to buy me one of the battery, but it turned out to be about $200. Whereas she came across this, which has two 20 volt batteries, the recharger, and the compact drill, all for about 130 Canadian. It was on special buy, as it says here, so it was on sale. So I'm just gonna open it up and see how the packaging is here. So DeWalt is a very good brand name, and I've never had any issues with any of their products in the past using it. So in here, what we have, just pulling this out, comes with its own carrying case as well. So let's open it up. So it comes with one battery. Another battery, and then it's a charger, and finally the compact drill itself. So, and it has, of course, the instruction manual in here. So just looking at here, you'll stick this, there's just a slot in here, you'll just stick that in here to be recharged. I'm just going to plug this in and see how this will light up. So as you can see, there's a flashing red light here. So that indicates that the battery pack is charging. Once it goes solid, then it's a charged battery. So I think it should come with a bit of life here. Let's just test this out on the other one here. So if we stick this inside here, it's really good. It has a light in here as well. Pretty powerful. So let's see if this will be compatible, which should be with the speaker. So put this aside. In the back here of the speaker, there is a slot to charge being put in. Let's see if we turn this thing on, and it works. So it's good. I'm very happy with it. The drill seems to be very powerful. I'm very happy with this. There's different modes on here used. So I'm going to be putting this to some good use fixing my front wooden deck. So I hope you found this review to be useful. If you like it, please subscribe and click the like button on our page. And until next time, take care.